Hello, in front of me I have WITHINGS Steel HR, and I'm gonna show you how to pair it with your phone. First, we need to download and install the WITHINGS HealthMate app on our phone. To do it, open the App Store, and in my case it's gonna be Google Play Store. Tap on Search, enter WITHINGS HealthMate. Then tap Search. On this page, tap on Install. After the app is done installing, tap on Open. Now I can continue with my email address if I want to, because I already logged in once, but I'm gonna tap on none of the above to show you how to do it from the beginning. And here, if you have an account already, you can tap on Login right here at the bottom to log in, or you can tap on Sign Up to make a new account. So let's tap on Sign Up, select the watches, select Steel HR, tap on Allow, and unfortunately we need to allow some permissions for the location. I'm gonna select Allow only while using the app, then tap Next. Wait until the app finds your watch. When the app finds your watch, tap on Next. If it doesn't find it for some reason, you can always press the side button to wake up the watch and then repeat the pairing process. But if it does, tap on Next. Here tap on Pair. Now we need to enter the code from the watch. Then tap OK. Here let's tap on Next. And now we can tap on Continue with Google to use the Google account, or you can tap on Sign Up with your email. I'm gonna select the second option. Here we need to check the first two boxes. The last one is optional. Then tap Next. And now we need to create account. So let's enter our email address. Then confirm it. And now we need to enter the password, so give me a few seconds. Once you're done, tap on Next. Here you can set up your account or profile. You can enter the name, last name, tap on birthday, and here you can swipe left and right to set up or select the month. Let's select like this. Then at the bottom you have gender, and you can select between male or female. Let's select male, then tap Save. Now let's tap on Next. Oh, I need to use different date, I guess. Can I do it faster? Oh yes, I can. Then tap Next. Now this time it worked. And here we can set up our height and weight. So I'm gonna select centimeters and enter the height, for example 180, then weight, and I'm gonna select kilograms. I'm gonna select enter maybe 80, then tap check mark. Here tap Next. Now let's tap on hard reset, or the account you named. Now let's check if the arms of the watch are pointing up. If they are, tap on yes. If they're not, tap on no. Mine are pointing to the top, so let's tap yes. Here, check if the watch is displaying right time, and I think it is, so I'm gonna tap next. But if it's not on yours, tap try again. Now let's tap on next, and here we can set up some activity goals. To do it, tap next, and you can select how much do you exercise. Select one of the options, tap next. Here you can set your daily step goal simply by swiping up and down, then tap OK. Here tap next. Now we can tap next and see how the workouts work on this watch. You can just tap next to go through it, and at the bottom we have notifications. We can tap next, and here you can tap on enable to enable the notifications. You can also tap on skip to not enable them and skip the step, but I'm gonna show you how to enable them. So let's tap on enable. Here let's tap on enable notifications like this, and now you can enable the notifications, for example, for incoming calls. Then tap allow, and you need to allow some permissions for it to work. You can also enable the notifications for some apps. For example, let's enable it for Adobe. Here we need to tap on continue and allow the notification access for HealthMate by taking the slider like this, then going back to the app, and now the notifications for Adobe should be working. You can go back then, and here tap on let's begin. And at this point our watch is paired with our phone. You can tap on devices right here to see your watch status. And that's how you pair this watch with your phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.